Welcome to California Wayfaring. I'm Julie, and today I want to take you around on my free self-guided walking tour in San Francisco's Marina District. This place is full of amazing architecture, great shops and restaurants, and beautiful views of the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a fun place to walk around and get to know, and it's one of the few places in the city that's flat, too. As always, the route and map of this walk are on my blog, californiawayfaring.com. But first, let's go see what we find. This walk starts at the corner of Chestnut and Fillmore. You can arrive by local bus 30, 22, or by bike, scooter, or on foot. Parking can be tricky, so try to avoid driving if you can. You can start this walk by heading west down Chestnut Street toward the Presidio. Along the way, you'll pass all kinds of restaurants, wine bars, and cafes. It's a great place to get a meal or snack if you need one. The shopping is great too. After walking almost all the way down Chestnut Street, turn right onto Visadero. Here you'll start to take in some of the residential architecture in the area. The marina is particularly known for its Art Deco apartment buildings since the area was largely developed in the 1920s. Make sure to look up and take in the details as you go. Your next stop is the Palace of Fine Arts. This local landmark was built for a 1915 World's Fair called the Panama Pacific International Exposition. The event took place to mark the city's resurgence following the devastating 1906 earthquake and the fire that destroyed large parts of the city. The Palace of Fine Arts was so popular that it was left intact when many other structures from the exposition were taken down to create the area that's now known as the Marina District. When you're done exploring the palace and the gardens around it, you can continue your walk down Baker Street. You'll see impressive houses opposite the park as you make your way north to the San Francisco Bay. When you get to Marina Boulevard, you have two options. The first is to cross the street and walk through the little Marina Green picnic area to get to the path that leads west along Crissy Field to the Golden Gate Bridge. If you want to, you can walk all the way to the bridge. If not, you can just take in the beaches and the views of Alcatraz and the bridge as you go. The second option is to cross the street, turn right, and walk along the San Francisco Marina Yacht Harbor and Marina Green. You'll see everything from food trucks to the lighthouse and Alcatraz as you stroll along the waterfront. The houses on the south side of the street are worth a glance too. Some of them are stunning. When you reach Fillmore Street, you'll turn right and then take a quick right on Retiro Way. This road will take you into a tangle of pretty streets that show off the marina's residential architecture. From attractive houses to eye-catching apartment buildings, there are lots of details to take in here. After winding your way through several streets, you'll come back to Chestnut, where your walk ends where it began on Fillmore Street. Thanks for coming on this walk with me. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and I hope it's inspired you to get out and explore this part of San Francisco yourself someday. It's a great place and it's worth getting out and discovering. As I mentioned before, the full route and map are on my blog, californiawayfaring.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking.